day of... What's yung first day ka ron? First day of GCQ! Gawas ding mga lagan. Gawas ding mga lagan, oh.
I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely calling.
MSCQ is already lifted. That means the beaches here in Dapitan is already open. And quite be honest with you guys, I've been out a lot of times together with our family. And I've always been wanting to vlog. It's just that every time I'm out with the fam, I'm always restricted to touch the camera kasi I'm always in the moment na if it's family time, family time. So I will be sharing those clips as well, but for today I really want to vlog and bring you to places because I know that most of you wanted to go out na. So today we're going out to Tag-ulo. So masaya dito kasi chill lang, without any expectation and without any plans. I just brought my dog Roo and enjoy the day here.
I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely calling.
Pagdating namin, sobrang taas ng tubig, so it was really nice and the sun is starting to go down and I think it's time for me to do a little vlog. Tag-ulo is a 30-minute drive away from the city and has become our go-to beach because of its white sand and accessibility. Most Dapitanon and even Dipalognon youngsters are the mainstay tahambays at the beach. Its rawness and the chill vibes are the main key kung bakit namin binabalik-balikan yung Tag-ulo Beach. Once you get to Tag-ulo, your options are getting a table for 200 pesos, a cabana for 400, 500 to 1,000 price range, or simply bring a beach towel and maglatag ka lang anywhere at the beach, or in my case, swim and run. Now, this is a very long stretch of beaches. Iba-iba lang siya ng cove. So, Tag-ulo, next to Tag-ulo is Gimputlan, which is also a place to hang out. We actually celebrated one of the birthdays there. So, I'll be sharing to you as well the experience. But for now, I just want you to enjoy and enjoy with me and with the vlog. So I just decided to off-leash Roo so that he can enjoy the beach as well while I am doing my thing. And if you happen to have a province and if you are in the city right now, the life here in the province is incomparable. So if you have the chance to go home, at least during this pandemic, you'll experience the quality of life that we are experiencing here in the province. And I know meron talagang hindi makauwi, and I'm just happy to share this life, this quality of life that I'm enjoying. um, sana makapag-vlog pa tayo ng maraming ganito. Because I know, kahit ayaw nyong aminin, mga impokrito kayo, na it somehow revitalizes your inner core. Wow, ang lalim. So, I'll just enjoy, I'll just chill here while naduduling na ako sa sobrang liwanag. Kasi maputi ako on this side. So this is the life in the province. And this is what you are missing. Nang inggit. This is Gimputlan, more or less 5 kilometers away from Tag-ulo. We celebrated my son's birthday here and we got the entire beach to ourselves. They only allow one reservation every other day by the time that we were there, so we feel really safe while enjoying the beach. Yung nature ng landscape dito, na-read, is my wall. So, sobrang babaw niya. Just hanggang dyan lang. Pero once we get there, somewhere in that area, meron na siyang wall going down. I'll try to go further. Medyo nakakatakot lang. Medyo nakakatakot kasi ako lang mag-isa sa dagat. Pero sa pansin ko yung fishes naman yung natatakot sa akin. So let's try to move deeper and see. Bunang dito. Sumasakit yung tuhod ko kasi lahat sila tawag sa akin. Angkol! So nakakatawa, may mga kids dito. And nung nalaman nila na magbo-bonfire kami, supposedly kami yung maghahanap. Pero, ayan, nagsisipa. Grabe yung laki.
Para mag-Christmas tree?
Parang Christmas tree daw.
I know how to luto.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hotdog Warriors.
Hotdog Warriors!
My sausage! We didn't start the fire!
Kanina. The sausage party, man. Napadong tumba.
Dugo uy.
Sausage party gone wrong!
Lolo.
Sana dapat init para paspas. Rotate. Oo, rotate. Yan, makuha.
Sobrang miss na namin lahat gumala. So today, dinala namin yung lunch namin sa Barangay Baynemango. This is just 30 minutes away from the city. And we decided to go here kasi medyo isolated yung place.
Isolated in the sense that your group, in my case my family, occupies the entire floating cottage, situated in the middle of the sea. So having to think other people around or other people around us is not an issue for this trip. All you have to do is bring your goggles, snorkeling sets, and a lot of air because the corals below is very enticing.
And I was checking every road sign for hidden messages I might find. Yes, I was looking everywhere for some kind of sign.
This is ideal for a family that knows how to swim. Don't worry if you don't. Meron namang enclosed area for non-swimmers. And I can say that it's safe because meron siyang net, making sure that you won't drown.
Adventure?
I had been driving for so long now that I forgot what I was leaving. I couldn't even tell you what road I was on or if I was only dreaming. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you're on the right track, that you're on the right road, you say. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you will be fine if you just keep moving on and don't look back. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you're on the right track, that you're on the right road, you say. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that it will be fine if you just keep moving on and don't look back.
Diba? Sarap ng buhay dito. Punta-punta ka lang sa beach. Inom. I'm actually drinking. Isang bote lang naman kasi wala akong magawa. For those of you who are new here, again, my name is Edventuresome. I haven't really been inviting everyone to subscribe, so please, if you think this videos is interesting enough, and if my life is interesting enough, please do subscribe. Hit on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there's new video coming out. Like and share na din. And if you have places or if you have any recommendations to go to, as long as it's safe, let's try to cover that. And for me talaga, at this time, may something sa lens ko, hayaan na lang natin. Kumbaga, if I'm enjoying it, for sure some of you are enjoying it, and hopefully we'll able to reach more people and we'll grow. And yun, let's just vlog and share good vibes.